What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I will be unboxing my favorite subscription box, the Heroes Tower. So this one is for the month of January, and I'm unboxing it in January. How exciting. Finally getting back on track, which is really great for me. But I just want to remind you guys, we did not have a craft challenge item for the month of January. The one that I showed you in my last video was for the month of February. So in this box, I'll be unboxing my regular monthly box, as well as my Patreon mini mystery box. And I don't know if I'm going to keep the mini mystery one or not. It depends on what's inside. So once we find out what's inside, that's going to determine whether or not I keep it or give it away. Without further ado, let's jump into what I'm sure is an awesome box. Okay guys, so woohoo! Here's my box. Let's pop her open. Oh, the top is just amazing. I'm just saying. So here's a sneak peek of what I'm looking at. Awesome! Awesome! Okay, ooh. Sci-fi themed. I'm going to go on a limb and say I'm probably not going to keep this one, but we're going to have to see. I don't know how into sci-fi I am, but this I'm into. It is a 2023 Transformer calendar. Yay, you guys, I'm so excited. So he did give me one, I think last year, and I put it up in my kitchen, as I will probably do with this one as well. And I kept the other one, of course, because, you know, it's good to craft with after that fact. Let's go ahead and jump into the rest of what I'm sure is going to be a fabulous box. So here's the flyer, guys. This one you can find on Cratejoy. Now, if they are sold out of boxes on Cratejoy, keep checking because there's a chance they might have one available in the future. And then, of course, I support him on Patreon. And here is my list of things that are in my box. All right, guys, let's dig in and see what awesome things we have for this month. Right. I'm trying to be careful with the bubble wrap because I do reuse it. I can't wait to do the bubble mailer video for you guys. Oh, I have so many fun things. This is so cute. Stop it. So cute. You guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to show this to you guys. This is so stinking cute. I can't with this. So DC Comics backpack clips. They're so cute. Stop it, you guys. I mean, stop. Look how cute that is. So let's see what's in here. I mean, this isn't going to be all of them. This is going to be one of the characters. And this time I have... Oh, I can't tell who she is. Who is she? It's not Harley Quinn. Black Canary. Black Canary, you guys. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. She is just a darling. Just check her out. That is so cute. Okay, would love to collect them all. And then I have the postcards. It says World's Best Comics. We got Batman, Robin, and Superman. That is so cute. Loving that. So he likes to put a postcard in all of his boxes so that you are able to send somebody geeky hello. But as you guys know, I've been working on a really cool project with my postcards, so I don't send anyone a geeky hello. So I'll just tell you hello as a geek right now. And then I have this awesome Spider-Man magnet. Guys, love it. Now, I do have some other Spider-Man magnets that he made for me. I put them in the Spider-Man little cubby room. It's like a little cubby. I call them rooms, but it's just like one display case and they each have their own little room in there. And if I have room to put this in there, I probably do that with it. Otherwise, I'll put it on my fridge. Totally fine. Either way. And then I have this super cool Avengers bags. Guys, I love getting this stuff in here because I use this as decorative storage because, you know, girl's got a lot of stuff. I got to store the stuff that I store craft supplies in these. So I got to store my craft supplies somewhere. Might as well do it, you know, in style. I'm just saying. So that is awesome. Oh, is this handmade, Chad? Did you make this? I think he did. Did you make this? I don't know if he made it or not, but it is so awesome. So this is like a notepad. It has several different, this is Marvel characters on there. I think, is it all Marvel? Maybe it's not all Marvel because, I mean, there's Spider-Man. There's, I think that's Deadpool, right? Probably. I don't like Deadpool. And then we have like the Hulk, Wolverine, Black Panther. There's a bunch of different characters on there, guys. I'm not going to go over all of them, but you guys get the idea. But check it out. It is a little notebook. So this is great, you guys, because what I was gonna say, what I will do, but I use these kinds of things all the time because I always get ideas that pop into my head, and I like to write them down. I guess I'm old school, and I write it down, and then like I'll develop the idea later. But yeah, this is great to have. I'm really happy to have that. Oh, so cute! Who's making these bags, Chad? They're so stinking cute. You know, you're giving me ideas for the Santa's workshop for the kids next year because I can make little bags like this too. Look at this Scooby-Doo, guys. So stinking cute. Now, I use these bags as well, you guessed it, for decorative storage. In my geeky area, I have them all hanging in an area, and then I have like all the buttons and stickers and things like that that I need to do things with inside these little bags. So I love having them. They're so darling. Oh, look, we have Mickey Mouse. My son will love this Mickey Mouse. So cute. Is this a, oh, it's a comic. Oh, well, I might not give that to him. I'm probably going to keep this, you guys, because I don't want him to ruin it. I'll probably keep it until he can appreciate it later, but I probably won't give that to him now. Oh, check it out, you guys. Why is this stuff trying to fall? Don't fall. Scooby-Doo featuring Batman and Robin comic book. I mean, stop it now. Let's just stop it right now. That is so cute, you guys. I love it. I mean, I love it. That is just adorable. That is so fun. Okay, ooh, what do we have here? Oh, guys. I love it. So I got something like this in another one of his boxes. It wasn't Scooby-Doo, I don't think. But I love this Lego stuff, guys. It is so fun to put together. And it's just really cool when you're done with it. Check it out. So I have a Scooby-Doo Lego set that I need to put together. You know what I should start doing? I'm going to start... well, this has nothing to do with YouTube at all, but I'm going to start going live a lot on TikTok. And I've been watching several people do it, and I just think it looks really fun. You know, I know the trolls will come out and all that kind of stuff too, but I still just want to give it a try or whatever. And I might like put together things like this. Of course, I'll be doing random crafts and stuff like that, but I think it'd be really fun, you guys. So that is going to wrap up the actual box for the month of January. I'm going to go ahead and pick all of this stuff up, put it away, and then we're going to go ahead and look at that mini mystery box for my Patreon gift. Okay, guys, so now we're going to unbox my Patreon gift, which is a mini mystery bag. And I told Chad he can just do whatever random theme that he wanted to do. Now, if he does a theme with things that I like in there, then I normally keep it. But if it's something that I'm not really into, then I do go ahead and give it away. So, the theme for this one is sci-fi. Some sci-fi I watch, others not so much. So, there's a very good chance that I won't know what the heck all of this stuff is. So we have a list on top here. I'm probably going to need to look at the list. I'm just going to let you guys know that right now. Because sci-fi is just, that's not my thing, really. I mean, some of it I watch. It depends on what's in here. I don't know. Let's just see what he put in here. And that's going to determine whether I keep it or give it away. All right. So, I'm keeping this. I might give some of this stuff away, but this is for me. Oh, I love it. Stop it. Stop it. Guys, it's Stay Puff. Stay Puff Marshmallow Man in Lego. I can't. I love it. I'm so excited. Got this is for me. Set that right there because I'm definitely going to keep that. I love Stay Puff. Okay, guys, this is a magnet of something that I'm not familiar with. I'm so sorry, guys. I am definitely going to put the magnet in the giveaway. Star Trek. This is Star Trek magnet. Star Trek. Not my thing, guys. So you guys can have that. Whoever, Anyway, that's not my thing. What do we have here? This is one of those paper magnets. Paper clips. What is it of, though? Princess Leia. This is Princess Leia. Oh, yeah, it is. Princess Leia. Okay, somebody else can have that. That's not my thing either. Jabba's Palace. Here's some stickers, you guys. I will put in anything that I don't want to keep. Here's this one as well. Okay. Then I got this one. This definitely looks Star Wars-ish. Oh, I'll pick it up for you guys. I promise. There's this one. I promise I'll pick it up and give it to whoever, you know, is going to enter this giveaway. Okay, here's this one. All right, and this one. Oh, live long and prosper. I've definitely seen this done before. Whoops, sorry. This is going great, guys. All right, there's that one. Okay, Star Wars is not my thing, guys. It's just definitely not my thing. So this is definitely going to be all stuff that I put in the giveaway. Yeah, I don't know who this guy is either. Especially if he has to do with Star Wars. I'm not going to know who the heck that is. Let's take a look here. Star Trek Energized Transport Keychain. There you go. That's what that is. Going in the giveaway. Then we have another Star Wars lanyard. Look at that. Lanyard is great, guys. If you're into Star Wars is just not my thing, guys. It's just not my thing. All right. So we have this super cool Star Wars postcard. Check that out, you guys. Yes. That is really awesome. Again, for Star Wars. Not my thing. You're also going to get the postage stamp that goes with the postcard. I can spit that out. And then we have a Star Trek comic book. If I can spit that out. There you go, guys. So all of these items, except for Stay Puft, I'm keeping this. Sorry, guys. Will be part of this giveaway. So let's go ahead and jump into quickly some of the major rules. First and foremost, YouTube is no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. This is 100% on me, and I'm using items that I've purchased with my own hard-earned money. Number 2, you have to live in the United States or have a United States postal address. This will not be opened internationally. And you have to be subscribed to my channel, guys. I need to see that you're publicly subscribed. If I cannot see that, then you definitely will not be able to win. I will have a full set of rules in my description box below. Please make sure that you check that out prior to entering the giveaway. Now, I've noticed that I'm having trouble remembering to post who won the giveaways at the time frame that I told you guys. So this is what's going to happen going forward, guys. This giveaway is going to run from now until I post the next box, because that seems to be when I remember that I need to post the winner of the giveaway. So what's going to happen? This giveaway is going to run from now until I decide to post the next box. You guys are just going to have to be watching my channel, and as well as you should be. That's the reason why I do these giveaways, is to reward my subscribers. Like, thank them. Hey, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for checking out my videos. I really appreciate your support, kind of thing. So you guys just have to watch my channel. Period. I'm not going to put dates. I'm not going to put time frames, none of that kind of stuff. It's going to go from now until I post the video for the next box. Okay. That is when I'm going to post the winner of this video. And that's how it's going to go, of this video, of this giveaway. And that's how it's going to go, guys. Okay, guys, I have to pop in here because I forgot to mention what the key phrase or word will be to let me know that you want to be entered in this giveaway. So if you can just use the phrase Star Wars. So just put Star Wars in your comment below. That will let me know that you want to be entered in this giveaway. All right, let's jump into whatever I was talking about. All right, so that wraps up everything for this month's box. This was another super fun box. I love this one. This is my favorite subscription box, guys. If you have not checked him out, please make sure that you check the subscription box out. I will have a link in my description box below. And as always, guys, if they're sold out, just keep checking, because there may be a time when they're not sold out anymore. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! And of course, I don't know if I want to give it away or keep it yet, but we did not have a craft challenge for January. The next craft, good until then. Try it again. So let's find out if I'm going to keep it or give it away. Without further ado, let's unbox this one. No. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I will be unboxing my January Heroes Tower mystery box. Blah, blah, blah. Try it again. Okay, guys, so now we're ready for my mini mystery bag that I get. I keep wanting to say mini mystery bag, awesome. That's not what this is. I actually haven't done any of those videos in a while. Let's do this again.